Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Dodge Ram 2500 Quad Cab. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 5.9-liter i6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 131,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches or dents, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, and has had all scheduled maintenance completed. Key features include CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, and power windows.